Tips
Hey, this is
4.
from coughing.
Coughing
I got a
after
friend who,
vaccine.
after COVID vaccination, he developed some coughing after that. So this is what we can do after that. Any kind of coughing, you can do this. So whether it's bacterial or virus, doesn't matter what coughing it is. So you can tap over here in front of the chest and on the side as well, and on that side, and as well as tap it on the arm from the palm to the arm up to here and go down to here. All right, there's no odor, just get more circulation to the chest, to the lung, and all the meridian over here. Okay, so stay awesome and keep practicing every day. Hope you get good relief from it. Stay awesome. Follow me on TikTok. Stay cool.